Hello, and welcome to Easy Math Tutorials, where today we will be talking about exponents. Now, exponentiation is actually a type of operation. You may be asking yourself, I've never heard of an operation, I don't know what that is. Actually, you do, you've been using them the entire time you've been doing math. These are operations, the four basic things you do when doing math. Exponentiation is simply a fancier version of these four basic operations. In the same way, multiplying a number is simply taking a number and adding it together multiple times, exponentiation is simply taking a number and multiplying it by itself several times. Now, exponentiation is denoted by both a base, which is the number that is being multiplied by itself, and the exponent, hence the name, which is the number of times it gets repeated. Pretty simple. So, in this case, if we have 9 as our base and 2 is the exponent, we have 9 multiplied by itself 2 times. Now that 9 times 9 gives us an answer of 81. Here we have an exponent and then an additional step afterwards. So we have our base of 2, the exponent of 3, and then after we do that we will add 7. So we put the parentheses there to maintain PEMDAS, and it's 2 times 2 times 2, which becomes 4 times 2, which becomes 8, and then 8 plus 7 gives us an answer of 15. Now it's your turn to try. Solve the following practice problems to make sure you understand exponentiation. You can pause for extra time if needed. Now try this one. Remember to use PEMDAS in your work. Thank you for watching today's video. Please like and subscribe as it really helps me out, and stay tuned for next time. Thank you.